This is the story of how a 20-year-old college kid turned his $11 an hour job into a $1 million business venture as a creator using ChatGPT. Watch this video to find out how this young kid did it. Maybe you can do it too. Hey there, this is Sean Sia here, founder of Next Level Academy, an 8-figure creator business. Ever wonder why some people clocking in and out of their businesses or job while others are making fortune online? Let's dive into one such story. Meet Joe Poplas, a regular 20-year-old computer science student earning $11 an hour on a job. One day, an idea pops into his head. What if I use ChatGPT to create ebooks? Soon he found himself investing a few hours each day generating ebooks. In the first month, he created 10 to 20 ebooks. By the second month, he doubled the output, and by the third month, he was celebrating making $1,000 of profit a day. Fast forward, Joe has made $390,000 from his content creation strategy, with his book brand value at an impressive $930,000. All this was achieved while juggling college life and dedicating a few hours each day working with AI. But here's the thing, not everyone has a light bulb moment like Joe. Many are stuck, feeling overwhelmed with content creation, wondering how to scale their business with content creation. If this sounds familiar to you, here's where the magic happens for you. The Compounding Creators Framework is your ticket to transforming your results. It's not just about creating, it's about creating smarter. It's a proven strategy that amplifies your content and maximizes your reach. Most importantly, it compounds your profit. By creating your course content, by speaking to your audiences, and even by writing your best-selling book, let's not just create, let's compound your results. Click the link around this video to register for our Next Level Creators Masterclass and copy our Compounding Creators Framework to accelerate your own results. I'll catch you in my next video.